The train, a song to sing to help me cope with anything. If you see the wonder of a fairy tale, you can take the view.
My friends, a good day. You must have seen how I made the songs in the first video. Today, I will tell you step by step how I made these. Don't miss the video. First, go to Google. Type Hedra.com in it. Then you will get a site like this. Now, log in to Hedra.com with your details. You can create an account like this by entering a temporary email address here. You get 100 free credits when you log in to Hedra. If you make a short video, you get 100 credits. So get a temporary email from Google, create an account, and start making videos. Do what I do in this video. Click Create, then click Create Video. Set the settings as shown in the video. Now upload a photo of your choice and provide audio. Since we have 100 credits, trim the audio to fit. You need to use a USA VPN to generate the video. That's it. You need to install Urban VPN extensions. Now let's see the output in the video. You too can make short videos like this and start a YouTube short channel today.
A song to sing to help me cope with anything. If you see the wonder of a fairy tale, you can take the view.
If you watch the Skip No Kara video from the beginning, it will be easy for you to make these videos too. I will bring you new videos like this that are important to you. Don't forget to subscribe to me. Keep the bell icon on. Goodbye, friends.